Okay, so GBPJPY for the week commencing 22nd of November 2020. Starting with the weekly time frame, we can see that last week closed quite indecisive, a bit of a doji candle, and not much clear direction for the week. But what we do have is this ascending trend line being respected, and we have a zone around 141. Which is yet to be retested. We got close the week before last, but prices pulled back since then, and last week didn't really come close to either area. So what we'll be looking for is a move in either direction. If we go bearish, then a possible test of the 136.500, 136.20 area, test this trend line around here. So we'll be looking to see if we can get a test around here. If not, if we do go bullish, then I think we could see a test of this zone around 141. So as per usual, we'll be looking at the lower time frames to see what setups materialize. On the daily, price has been consolidating quite a bit. Looked like we were threatening to break out of this range with support around 137.50 on Thursday with the daily close, but Friday was bullish and support held at 137.50 and price pushed up to test the 138 area. So the way I'm looking at this on the daily time frame is if we break below 137.50, we're looking to see if we can get a retest on lower time frames and a sell down to 136.500, 136.20 area, where we could see some buys on lower time frames. If we go bullish and we break above 138.50, then a possible retest of that before heading to 140. So yeah, daily time frame isn't giving us much at the moment, so we just have to wait for a break of either of these two levels. On the 4-hour time frame, got it mapped out in a little bit more detail. You can see we had this crazy consolidation for much of the week. Last week, finally broke out of the consolidation, came back for a retest in the middle of the range where we closed on Friday. So to be honest, it might be worth waiting for the first few 4-hour candles to see how we treat 138. See if we break above it and hold above it, we could see the move to test 138.50 and up thereafter. But if we see 138 holding as resistance immediately at the open of the market, we could see the start of the move back down to the 136.500 area. And what I've seen here is that if we reject 136.500, we could see the start of the strong move back up to 140, and if we do, that would be the zone retest on the 4-hour. So yes, at the moment, first of all, of course, to see how price treats 138. If we break above it, see if we can move above 138.50. If we hold its resistance, then see if we get confluence for moves down to 136.500. So a couple of moves to look out for this week on GBPJPY.